Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add fade in and fade out effect to our audio in CapCut. So let's get to it. Here I have imported my video to CapCut and I have imported an audio as well, and this is the audio. And if you want to add fade in and fade out effects, we can click on the audio like this, then just click on the audio again until the section is active. After that, we can click on fade button over here. Then we can increase the duration. We can choose the duration of the fade in and also the fade out. We can drag the circle like this to select the duration like this. And after we're done, we can click on this check mark. Alright, and we can play the audio or the video to see the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add fade in and fade out effect to our audio in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.